Hello. Hello. Hey, everybody. Alicia, what up? Good morning. Tommy Me, good morning. Hello. And Farhad is here. Good morning. All right. The show starts again. All right. Let's see, what do we have? So NQ, there was an Asia low. At least I considered it to be an Asia low, and that has been taken out. And now we technically have an official, yeah, this is the official Asia high up there. We're gonna keep that in mind. And that's it. Red, good morning. Good to see you, Red. So the Asia low has been taken out, and we have Asia high still, but we have a previous day low. But what's most important in this is that we have some swing lows here. Look at that. Yesterday it was very close to take out this one, so I'm just gonna put a sell side liquidity marker right here, and here. Okay, so who knows? And let's check on some levels. Good morning, Naomi. Welcome. Good to see you. All right. Okay. Better shorter block here on the 15-minute in the Asia session. This is not a very shorter block, at least not. Yeah, it's not a very shorter block, not a valid one at least. This one is a very shorter block. Wow, which happened in the PM session on NQ. Let's just keep that in mind. Okay, 232. The open is 33 actually on the micro of that candle. Okay, and down here, nothing special. That's all we have. Ollie, good morning. Hey, welcome. Oh, you blew your Traderify. Oh. Man, it happens. It happens. 160 on NQ is holding through at the moment. Yeah, Kenny, welcome. Yeah, 160 is definitely holding it. Hey, Steam. Oh, $50 a day to live a target and too slow. Well, I would say it's not slow. It's not slow. I would say $50, a day, like count on average. Look at that, like $50, especially if you reach the safety threshold. Like that's $1,000 a month if you make $50 average, and that's just one account. So $1,000 per month on average on one account. I think that's absolutely doable. That's absolutely good. Alicia, hey. Oh yeah, you. The payout from. So what I did, if you're asking about Take Profit Trader, I made an interesting thing yesterday. Change the strategy just past my first combine. Woo! Let's go, Paul. So yesterday, I've got a little bit of PTSD, to be honest. I got a little bit of a PTSD. I couldn't really sleep well, to tell you the truth, because let me check it again. Yeah, of course, it's not updating. Yeah. So I got a little bit of a PTSD because on Take Profit Trader, so my balance is $4,815. 4,815. So this makes $315 available for withdrawal, right? Right. Okay. Yeah, almost. Yeah, so I made the decision to withdraw, to close the account. Basically, I made the decision to close the account at Take Profit Trader, and I'm gonna channel the money out to a personal account, or at least just $1,000. So here's the deal. $4,815 is the balance on the account, right? So TLA, hey there. So I withdrew yesterday $315, which is $252 after profit split. So then I left with the safety net, right? The safety net. So you get 50% of the safety net, which is $2,250. Okay, but, and this is why I got a little bit of a PTSD. So the withdrawal happened to my wallet, which is awesome. It happened later at the PM session, so it happened to my wallet. I mean, it went to my wallet, and then I said, okay, I made the decision. I clicked on close the account. You know, there's a button there to close the account. So I clicked yes, close the account. Okay. And as I clicked it, you know, the withdraw button also appears, you know, to withdraw the safety net. And when I click on the withdraw button, it's not showing the safety net on the account. In fact, it shows that the available amount for withdrawal is $315, which I already got to my account, but it's not showing the safety net available for withdrawal. So I get a little bit of a PTSD because the account is now disabled, and it says admin only and disabled, and it's not showing up even today, the safety net. Anyway, asked support about the issue, and they said it's because the website has not been reset yet. So after the reset, the correct amount will show. All right, that's it. Yannick's, hey there. TLA Trader, Kali, what's up? Ruanova, hey, good morning. Scalping? You guys are scalping, right? Yeah, Alicia, so I got a little bit of a PTSD because this happened like about 12 hours ago, right? So I got onto the chat like, is that a glitch? And they said the same thing, like, don't worry, the reset is at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard. But the website still has not been reset. So this morning I was like, I'm a little bit of a PTSD issue here. So I went into the chat again and I asked, like, can you please confirm me that is this available for withdrawal, or can I get it because, you know, blah, blah, blah. And of course they confirmed that I still have to wait for the reset because there's a delay in the reset. But I got a little bit of PTSD. I mean, you know, $2,250 is on the line here by some website glitch. So, and it's not showing up as available withdrawal. So, where was I? Your wife missed me. Jason, tell your wife that she's a lovely lady and I'm sorry that I've been missed. Tell her that take good care of you, you know. I'll be here. That was a family emergency. I had to take my mother to the hospital, by the way. which I have to do today as well in the afternoon. So I don't know how am I going to be able to perform the New York stream. I'll do my best, but I have to go to the hospital again today. But yeah, everything is all right. Hello, good morning. No wonder why. Or Natasha. Natasha, I'm gonna always forget Natasha. Hello, Natasha. Yeah, yeah. So I got a little bit PTSD, especially because when I woke up, and of course it was way after 10 p.m. and the website's still not showing up the amount. Like, you know, $2,250 on the line here. What is going on? What is going on? And I was literally like, I've seen these kind of, not with Take Profit Trader, but I've seen these kind of stuff through my life on some websites, you know, like, oh, sorry, because of the issue, blah, 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 the withdrawal process cannot be taken, you know, well, whatever. Oh, she does. All right. Oh, she's okay, but she needs more treatment in the hospital, and I have to get to the hospital somewhere between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. in my time, which is exactly in the middle of the New York stream. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Yeah, it's all right, Jason. She is having this issue since a few months now. With it's an autoimmune disease, and then the doctors are still a little bit, you know. Whoa! Whoa! Thank you so much, Natasha. Thank you.
For a flower for your mom.
Thank you so much, Natasha. I appreciate it. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna get a flower, and I'm going to take a screenshot. I mean, screenshot, a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna get a nice flower, and I'm gonna take a picture. And you know what? I'm gonna add a little bit extra to that, and we're together gonna buy a flower. How about that? I'm gonna make a picture. Yeah, I know, Wally. Yeah, I know. Thank you so much, Natasha. I really nice. Thank you. Yeah, I know. The HTF candy. Oh yeah. So the name is it's Power of 3. Power of 3 from 2 degrees. It has like almost 12k users. HTF Power of 3. That's it. And obviously, if you double click, I use the New York Midnight level. Sorry, use the New York Midnight for the daily candle to print. Max, hey there. No problem, Maxwell. You're welcome. So I'm waiting for a possible reversal maybe, but we still have previous day low. But you know, there was this sweep of liquidity on the 5-minute, and this one went lower. So I would like to see a bullish breaker, because if we do that, we might even go higher. So I'll be watching here for a structure shift. Maybe this was the start. Should I take a long here? My morning probe trade. All right, I took a long position, only a probe trade, based on the fact that there was a swipe here. Again, there was a bullish market structure shift, and now it should be keep on going higher. So my entry is a little bit off. Should have been like a few points lower here, but it's okay. And here we have a order block. So what I'm targeting is a 172.50. Small position. I'm risking about $60 on this. That's it. Looking to break that 172. Gold. Let me check. Oh my God, we have a high. Is that all-time high? Man, it's going for it. It's going for it. No question. I think it's all-time high, right? Yes. Okay, so yeah, gold is going to do a new record again. And we have the 3,000 level up there. Yeah, gold is going to break this. Man, I'm a little bit tempted to jump into a gold trade. Oh, wow, look at that. Where's my trade? Here. I'm going to move my stop here. Let's break that supply area up there. Oh man, I missed my entry. I should have entered somewhere around at least 52. You know, in the London session, a few points can count as well. You know, a few points can make a big difference at the end. You got in at 45, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I know some people like to do some nice counter trend moves. For me, like if I look at the 1 minute now on gold, it seems like it picked up orders from this gap, pushing higher. Now price is, you know, picking up also some orders on this displacement here. So this could be a good entry to go long, but you know, target would be up there. I mean, this could be a good entry here on gold to target the all-time high. I don't know. Should I take it? Should I not? I don't know. Look at this, man. We went down. What happened here? Man, I don't believe this. Technically, it's a bullish breaker. But I mean, not with the displacement. I would have seen a nice up close candle up there, but still, what the hell is going on? You know, what is going on here? Maybe it wants to pick up orders from here. Should I add 2 more micros to this? Why not? Added 2 more micros. Okay. All right. Okay, Okay, so now I'm risking about $100 on this trade. So added 2 more micros on this drop here. And that's it. Nothing more. I'm not going to add anything more. DCA the hell out of my mind. Oh, yes, Naomi, I agree. And London is tricky nowadays. In the past, like 2 weeks, you know, DCA gang, yeah, still sick. So London is definitely doing some tricky moves. And by the way, what do you know? Out of the blue, Apex decided to continue with the 80% off, I think. Do I have a Discord on? No, I know. I'm not logged in. Let me log into my Discord. Man, the Discord is almost ready. Yesterday I was having a long conversation with the guy that so the problem is I really need to do I had some paid members on Discord, and all the memberships has been canceled by me because obviously I wasn't really putting too much content on the Discord. So what we have a new solution for, and it's gonna be partially for free, mostly for free basically, but I'm not gonna do a spoiler here. Why DCA downtrend? Yeah, I mean, I know it seems like a downtrend, and it could be as well a downtrend. I was just looking for, you know, a bit of a retracement up there, you know, to take out a supply area. Yeah, it's definitely, it looks like a downtrend. That's true. But if we zoom out a little bit, it could also be an uptrend if we use a channel. So that's why, depends on where we look at it or how we look at it. You know, if if I look at this, higher lows, higher low, then, you know, we might as well just see a possible move in this channel to the upside. Obviously, that's why everybody sees the market differently. But that was one of the theory that I had. Vet mill this here is just random tonight. Yeah. Oh, you have 10p. Oh, nice. Let's go, consistent trader. Looking for 121. Yeah, it could very well happen. It could happen. In this scenario, I was just like, you know, let's have a retracement, whatever. It had some structure shift. Deej, hello. Oh yeah, definitely consistent trader. Oh yeah, I know, like, they're definitely like contradicting to each other. Like London does different things than New York for sure. Yeah, if it would move above the 60s, that would be a great sign. But we still have time until London Open. But the kill zone officially is on. From if you trade a lot of contracts per day, take profit trader. And MyFundedFutures too. But most likely the expert account with MyFundedFutures. And it also differ. I mean, it depends on your strategy and on your risk management, because for example, Apex lets you to trade like 10 contracts on a 50K, which is absolutely unnecessary, I think. But there is a restriction in the until you reach the safety threshold, so you cannot use all your contracts. You can use only 5 contracts or 5 minis or 50 micros. So you got to be careful there. And with Take Profit Trader, there is no restriction like that. Whoa! Spicy PSI! Thank you for subscribing! Welcome to the channel! Make break even like Methodical Man. No. Actually, the problem is that my entry is not good. I should have entered down here, and then the problem is that the market makers are watching the stream all the time. I mean, the big hedge funds, market makers, everybody is watching this stream. So if I put it to break even, then Nasdaq is immediately gonna go for my break even stop, and then after that goes to the target. It's a well-known scientific proven fact. So that's the answer. So spoofer. I do passing take profit in MyFunded, but now it's easier to pass take profit because there's no daily loss limit. Just saying, with the no daily loss limit, it's definitely easier. But I get it, yeah. Yeah, because it's cheaper, you know, and because those accounts are cheaper, obviously it's not really restricting your mind and your wallet to do some crazy stuff there. Hey, Malo Legacy, let's go. Need 175? Yeah, I need 172.25. Let's go. I need it. I need the 172.25. Come on. I'm crazy today. I still have PTSD. So, from this website glitch. But the Take Profit Trader support told me that I shouldn't be worried. It's because of the website is not updated yet. I think it might update at the New York session, maybe. Well, the waiting. Use Top Step. Let's go. Top Step is great. It's 1500 pass, 60 That is a good pass ratio there. Aiming for 68. Oh, all right. Let's go. Let's go NIGGLET 96. I remember. What prop firm has the best price right now? The cheapest, including the activation fee, is MyFundedFutures starter account. No activation fee basically at MyFundedFutures, so check it out if you want. 25% off from the starter plus if you use the best cheat code. So yeah, no activation. Again, I repeat, including the activation fee, MyFundedFutures is the cheapest. But Take Profit Trader is also great, 50% off, and I think you get the first I mean, you get the initial test account fee back on your first withdrawal, I think. Yeah. Satoshi, good morning. It's safe? All right. All right. I'm going to say Niglet. Niglet, hey there. Oh, look at that. Let's go. I'm a little bit tempted to close. All right. What the hell did I just do here? I partially closed 3 micros and it jumped up there. What just happened? Why did it go there? This wasn't even my entry. All right, I have to close this trade. I entered the market like I changed it to 3 micros here on the and I clicked on the sell market order, and I know I have entered down here, and the entry price just jumped up there. I can't believe this. What the hell just happened? I really can't believe this. I just can't believe this. I just wanted to close. It was 5 micros. I say, okay, let's close 3 micros. You know, I'm selling 3 micros. Market order. Not big deal, right? And the entry price jumped higher. You guys saw that. What the hell was this? My entry was here, down there. Cheap eval is Bulenox is the cheapest right now. 91% off. Option 1 accounts. Oh, the test fee refund ended. Oh, haven't checked on it. I don't know what happened here. I just clicked on, so I had 5 micros. And so I set up like 3 micros on the quantity for market sell. And I clicked on market sell, and the entry jumped up there for the rest of the 2 micros, which was down here. I remember because this is down here where I added the extra 2 micros down there, and it put it up there. So this is this is crazy. The market makers, that's what's happening. The code is up there. Tom Sabo is the code for every prop firm. If you guys would like to support the channel, use the code Tom Sabo for best available discounts if you can. MyFundedFutures currently only has discount for Starter Plus. If you try something else, it might give you something. I'm not sure there is any other discount, but still, if you type in my coupon code, that gives a bit of a credit to the stream. Thank you. Let's go, Nestor. Yeah, it could be the 30-minute close, Blue Boy. Could have happened. Yeah, I don't. This was a crazy move here. 220 times 5 with this. Yeah, I don't know what the heck happened. There was some technical glitch here. I could have made. I made $93 by closing. I had to close everything. $93, but on the top I could have made like an extra $60 or 50-ish. So I don't know. It's crazy. It's crazy. Maybe Rhythmic. This is CQG. I mean DX feed. This is my MyFundedFutures account. So I don't know. Quantower usually has no issues. By the way, I just got confirmed 2 days ago. I forgot to say that Quantower now, if you purchase, for example, advanced features or the full package, With my code, you can get a 10% discount. So now I do have an active code with Quantower, which is good. 10% discount if you use the same code TomSabo at Quantower. You can get it's a small discount, but hey, it's discount. For example, I pay $30 for advanced features. With the discount, it's $27, which makes you able to connect to multiple prop firms and use the copy trader. Yeah. Trader Monk, good morning, Yoregat. Yeah, Devin, I rarely use the market order, but still, it should have kept my 2 micros from down there. Anyway. All right, TS. Happy to help, you know. I'm always happy to help. It's my pleasure. I'm not going to re-enter to this trade, so I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit. At least not yet. But I think it should be breaking. It should be breaking the high of the this supply area here. But if not, it's fine too. I mean, this was a valid bullish breaker. Imagine if the perfect entry. The perfect entry, especially when we saw the spike running down here, the perfect entry would have been here with a limit order. Down there, boom. Put your stop here. 1 to 2, boom, right there. Now this would have been the sniper entry for the trade. You know, get this fair value. Get this fair value gap down there, boom, and take off. This was the sniper entry here, which and this was the reason why I added 2 micros down there. But anyway. Baby boss, I have a Discord. Currently, it's a paid membership, but it's gonna be refurbished really, really soon now. So there's gonna be a free version, and a guy is already working on it. And so I'm gonna update my blog with the invite link and everything. So it really needs to happen this week. It must. And we have some educational materials, some charts, some setups, and some very, very nice and good people are already there. Those are paid members, but everybody got canceled lately because there was no new content lately. And so there will be a refurbishment on the Discord, but yeah. Natasha, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for the nice gesture. I'll make sure to get those flowers. Thank you, and see you later. What is happening here? All right, it seems like we're still going for that supply area. You settled for 65.50. So you got it now. I knew it. I knew it. Malo, congratulations. Oh man, I feel a little bit of a FOMO kicking in right now. I feel a bit of a FOMO kicking in right now. um, one of us says, I'm in for double bottom. Well, I mean, for example, yesterday, I was expecting, in the AM session, look at this, I was expecting that it should test the 100 level down there. You know, we have a previous swing low at 103, and I was like, it should drop a little bit more. And I think I went short. I think I went short somewhere here to target, and I got stopped out. So that's when I said, okay, I can't handle it. But yeah. Let's see. I still have a feeling that it might want to take out this. Do we have some news this morning? Hey, Vivian, szervusz, szia! Jól állnak igazából, már most dolgozom vissza őket. Igen, most már éppen fellow Hungarian trader Vivian is here. Igen, de azóta már most visszaszedtem magam elég jól. Elküldtem neked az invite-ot a szerverre, de lehet, hogy nem kaptad meg e-mailbe. Még pár héttel ezelőtt. Örülök, hogy látlak amúgy. Good morning, Karsten. The week is going great. I do have a bit of a PTSD, as I said. I closed the account on the Take Profit Trader account, which I told you guys that I reached a safety threshold. I decided to close the account and take 50% of the safety net. But the website is not updating and it's not allowing me to withdraw the money. And I was like, what is going on? and I already write twice to support. Like, please confirm back to me that what is going on. And of course they said I have to wait until the website is updating. Like, you know, when you click on the close account, then it should appear that, you know, available for withdrawal, but it's not showing the amount. Anyway, first good trade in days. Let's go, Kenny. The sell limit at 72 on gold. Okay. 850. Nice, Kenny. Congratulations. Look. Oh. By the way, look at that. This was on stream. We talked about this here on stream that we should take along. And look at what happened. The FOMO, everybody. The you know that. Come on. The FOMO. You know, we talked about this live here on stream that we should go along. It's too late now. It's too late. Kenny, congratulations again. Your 5th day over 100. Guys, Molo is killing it with MyFundedFutures. He is killing it. Congratulations, man. Jeff, hey Jeff, what up? Jeff entered the building just like Waldo. Waldo and Jeff just entered the building. What's happening? I had a nice long position here, but there was some technical glitch, and I had 5 micros, and I wanted to close 3 micros with a market order, like market sell 3 micros, right? And you guys, most of you guys saw that the now where is it? Come on. Okay, so the my entry was down there somewhere around the 50 something, 52 or 3, and it put my entry up there. I sold 3 micros with the market order out of 5, and my entry jumped up there. Like what? Like a what the heck? Anyway, some kind of a glitch. Yeah, that's a good question. I think Molo is he might be using, I don't know. I think he's using a starter account because he goes with micros. I'm not sure. Not sure. Maybe the market makers did me a favor. Maybe this one will go lower. I'm not sure. Oh. Oh. What is this? Michael, hey there. Oh, yeah. I'm on. Red Pill Unplugged. Thanks for joining. Look at that. I think the market makers now, for once, help me out. Look at this. Who was the one who said, okay, consistent trader? I was just asking. You guessed it. Bobby Ricks, hey there. It's Bobby. Everybody, welcome. Bobby here. Thank you for joining the channel. Welcome. Yeah, so Malo is using the starter. I guessed it right as well. Yeah, nice call there. Consistent Trader was pretty much obsessed that this is a downtrend. He's right. My buffer is now 4,000. I already surpassed that. Oh, nice. Now that's a real solid money management there, Malo. Yeah, NQ is starting. And by the way, Trump is still sleeping, right? So he's not tweeting or anything, so I don't know what the heck is going on. September levels. All right, let's see. Let's see. You know, this drop here, it was pretty significant. And it was a nice reaction to this. Here's the order block. Boom. Look at the reaction. Textbook reaction on the order block. Look at that. Rejected. Here was the first entry on the order blocks, and I missed it. So if you guys wanted to go short, this was a perfect, absolutely great reaction. What the hell is this here? This was the perfect reaction. And I didn't see it. This was the perfect entry. Rejected from the 5-minute order block, displacement, shift, fair value gap, boom. Look at that. If you would have entered even just there, stop right there. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Again, 2 beautiful trades. This was an A+ setup, by the way. This was almost a unicorn setup. Order block, beautiful displacement, and I missed it. Too late now, I guess. At this point, even if I was in the long position, I could have considered to close it and just go short. Lots of liquidity down there, right? Yeah, I feel that too. I'm thinking if I should just jump in with an eval here for a short. I might do that. I don't know. You know, just for fun. We are in the macro. We are in the macro right now. All right. Let's see what it does. On the 5-minute, well, still some levels down there, but I guess the London Open will tell us what to do here. Yeah, so yesterday it tried to go down once in the AM session. And then it slowly went down here. It might try to do once more. And we definitely have some higher lows in this area. I guess we'll see. Yeah, the option one, I think it's 2,500. 25, sorry, Jason, $2,500. But the option one is intraday trailing. The option two accounts are unfortunately only on 45% discount. The other code is TomSable2 for that. But those are only on 45% discount because they are end of day trailing and they have a daily loss limit, the option two. So the option ones are intraday trailing. But 2,500. But it locks in on the funded account. It locks in at your safety threshold, and then it's not trailing anymore. All right, jumped into another short, but this is an evaluation account. I want to see this drop at the London Open. Eval account only, but on MyFundedFutures. I keep a wider stop here because we have to open real soon. Who knows? I might even leave it runner. I don't know. But for option 2, then in the funded it goes... No. In option 2, in the funded stage, it stays at end of day trailing. Yeah, it goes to... Yeah, TPT goes to intra on the pro account. But again, if you go for base hits and you know, not over risking, like over leveraging or whatever, then it's gonna lock in anyways. So it locks in. Oh yeah, 5 micros, yes. It's just an eval account. Evaluation account only. Because it's a bigger risk right now. Excuse me. Evals are low stress when you have 3 paid accounts with them already. Yeah, exactly. You can just stack them up, you know. You can stack up as many as you want. Sometimes I did. Yes, Ollie. Sometimes, well, mostly. I mean, 5, 8, or 10 micros usually because, you know, there's a bigger threshold to reach. So, but only the reason for those micros is that I was trying to take partials, you know, and it was easier, obviously, with micros to do that. Sometimes I scalp with 1 mini, you know, or 2 minis. I even scalp with 2 minis. No, not all the accounts, baby boss. Sometimes, I mean, I have like a couple of funded accounts. I don't even know right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, like 8 accounts funded, and I copy trade like 2 of them maybe at a time. Actually, I can't even handle more accounts mentally because I tried copy trading like 8 and 10 accounts in the past. Guess what happened? Yes, you guessed it right. So I just can't handle the mental stress. But sometimes, you know, copying 2 accounts, you know, trying to divide them to small groups, like 2 accounts here, another 2 accounts there. That's actually a good idea. Yeah, so Flushy, it was nothing special, and this is only on an evaluation account. Like, the idea was we had a 5-minute order block up here. This is the 5-minute chart. Here's the order block. Price got rejected from the order block. And before the order block, we had previous day low, which yesterday tried to go for... Sorry, excuse me. Yesterday, it tried to go for this low at 103. So it got down to 118, 103. And there we have another swing low at 091. So anyway, the 5-minute order block rejected price here. I went down to the 1 minute, and actually I missed my entry because there was a 1 minute displacement with the gap, so it started to go down. And the only target, in my understanding, is that to make a new lower low for the day. So my entry is definitely way off and way late. I should have entered from up there. We have the London Open now, so I should have entered somewhere up there. But anyway, if that's the goal, then maybe it will start to drop, but it seems like not now. The London Open is gonna take this out. I feel like it. No problem. No problem. Yeah, sure. You're welcome. So that's the issue. I don't want to risk more on this. I was expecting a reprice of this gap, but I was also expecting it to drop down and make a new daily low. But anyway, this is why I only took it on an eval. Low probability trade, high risk, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it's gonna take me. Oh well. Maybe the order block is gonna get taken out as well. Up there. You know, squeeze to the upside. Like everybody wants to go short. London does this nowadays. London is a tricky one nowadays. And yeah, there is no fair value gap higher. The only target, if it would go higher, is to take out the order block at 73. Exactly. That's why I if I really feel the urge to pull the trigger, I usually take a trade on an evaluation account. For example, this. If I really feel the need, like Tom Cruise in Top Gun, if I really need the need for speed, then I just take a trade on an eval. So that's how I'm trying to ease the stress and the need for trading. Yeah, London is annoying. Yeah. Pip Hunter is long. Jesus Christ, Mullo. Get out of here. 135 times 6. Oh my god. Mullo, I don't know what he does there. This is what he does. But I like the fact that he takes those relatively small gains, but you know, $200, $300 times 5 or 6 or whatever, and that's a real good money for the day. So, oh, fun coupons. Oh,
coffee on me, brother.
thank you, man, Mullo. Oh man, appreciate it. This is like, well, you know, yesterday he paid a coffee. Now he pays a coffee. You know, with that kind of money, with 10 US dollars in my country, I can have a nice lunch. You know, I have a place here. I can actually get a nice lunch for $6. I have a place where I can actually, yeah, $6.50. So lunch is on Mullo today. I can even get a drink. Man, thank you so much. Yeah, gold is, I think gold gonna go for the 3K. Mexican John Wick is here. Maximum amount of Bulenox accounts. Yeah, it's 250k, but don't go for it. I'm gonna explain to you why. The activation fee is killing you there. So let me show you Bulenox master account. So before you jump in, read the website. Activation fee. Yo, how many accounts? You can have 11 accounts. 11 accounts, but you can start with 3 accounts. So 3 accounts. And if any of your accounts are going above the safety threshold, the rest of the past evaluation accounts are going to get activated. So you can activate up to 11. But first you can start with 3. And this is how you scale up to 11. But don't go higher than, I would say the maximum would be 100k. But 150 or 250, insane activation fee, $900 and $500. It's not worth it, you know. Even this is a little bit too expensive, I think. The optimal account is a 50k account with Bulenox. So, you know. John, good morning. Sleepy? Well, yeah, I'm always sleepy nowadays in the morning. I'm always. Oh, yeah, you asked me. Sorry. Well, the PA accounts are up. I actually requested the payout from Take Profit Trader finally. And as I said, oh, look at that. As I said earlier in the stream, I got a little bit of a PTSD because, you know, to request the payout, I had to click on the close button on the website. And yesterday I requested the $315 above the safety net, which I got to my wallet. So that was awesome. But then later on in the PM session, after the PM session, I decided, no, you know, I'm going to request the rest of the money. I'm going to close the account. So that was the decision. So I clicked on close account, and it's not showing up the safety net for withdrawal. I mean, it should, but it's not showing. And I was like, what the hell? And it's still not showing up. But the website is not updated yet. No problem. Michael, you're welcome. Yeah, so exactly, Michael. That's what I meant to say. If you take there's a 91% sale, then the 100k account is okay-ish with the activation fee. That would be the maximum I would try when there is a good sale. Yeah, the 300k on the Apex, those are also good. Yeah, yeah, it's cheaper on Apex. Yeah. Well, it seems like it might want to break the order block. Not sure, but it does feel like it. I don't know. Was there some kind of news at 8:30? I mean, sorry, not 2:30. In my time, it was 8:30. Nothing special. We have unemployment claims today, but that is it. Malo, don't tell me you made another whatever profit. Have you tried futures? No, I haven't. I heard about the name, but I haven't tried them. Oh, yeah. Yeah, something like that, John. Hey, no, you don't have to thank me, bro. Thanks for being here, and really, you did a great job. Enjoy the profits, and congratulations on the payout with MyFundedFutures. That is awesome, man. That is how you do it. All right, so what's happening now? I wonder if it keeps on dropping or it's going to break the order block. Say no to FOMO. No. No. No, I won't. I mean, I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna. We have to learn to sit on our hands in situations like this. So that's what I'll try to do. Hold on. Quick phone call is coming right now. Hello, szia, itt vagyok. Persze. All right. I have to go out for 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Let's watch this. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right. 2 or 3 minutes. Sorry, what did I miss? I'm sorry, a friend of mine came over and he couldn't stop talking at the gate. Let's see. We're still just hovering here, right? Nothing is moving. So we didn't miss anything. No, I'm waiting. I was having a short trade. I got stopped out. Now I don't know. It might gonna go up there and take out this 5-minute order block. So, I have to wait. I have to wait patiently and see what's gonna happen. You know. Yeah, usually that's what happens in London. A very tight range. I mean, this is a tricky one because this can either just go up there and take out that 5-minute order block, or drop down and make a new low. If I look at the 5-minute, it's barcoded again. Well, I like the upside there, but we're just stuck in this range again. Exactly. Yes, John. After 4, and especially before 7. By the way, so from 6 to 7, I realized that the market sometimes, I mean, especially nowadays, starts to price in some levels. Camille, hey there. Oh, the BMW is good. I fixed the valve cover gasket issue, so it has been fixed just yesterday. So it's okay. No more whining, screeching noise coming from the gasket. There was a valve that was failing, so it was giving some nasty sound, but now it's perfect. Even the mechanic said that that it's in real good condition. Everything is in great condition. Bowser, hey there. Eisen, I use Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, and Apex Trader as well. I use Bulenox. I also traded day traders, and but that's a new prop firm. So the best ones for me are Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures. I do like Apex and Bulenox too. So those 4 are the ones that I actively trade. I do trade on some others too. Tick Trader. I'm still building up accounts. So I mean, obviously there's so many more, but these are like big ones. Yeah, no problem, Aizen. No problem at all. Still trying to figure out where this one might want to go. But no idea. No idea. I mean, if you look at this 5-minute chart, it's definitely showing nothing. Nothing. The top of the order block is somewhere around 72 or 3. What's the high of this candle? 73, yeah. So it's up there. For now, it's still holding price. Hard to decide. There was 2 nice trades that I missed. One was here and the short there. Could have taken those, but anyway. How come you're not wearing? Oh, I do have a BMW t-shirt and jacket and everything. So don't worry, I will have that on. Look at that, we're going, breaking that. how's your statistic for the year so far? Expensive withdrawal. Yeah, so I've spent. I'm gonna put a video out about this. I've spent. Last time 1,800, 1,000. I spent about $3,000 this year on evaluation accounts and activation fees. It's somewhere about $3,000 or 3,100, a little bit above 3,000. And I got 2,400 in January, 1,500 payout from Bulenox in February, and I'm waiting for 250. I'm waiting for 2,500 from Take Profit Trader this month. So, but as I said, it just happened yesterday, the Take Profit Trader, and this is the website glitch that I'm a little bit worried about. This website issue, but support told me that after the update, after the website reset, it should be okay. So if I get the Take Profit Trader payout, which is going to be overall $2,500, 25, yeah, 20. Hold on, let me just see. So I got 2,400 from MyFundedFutures, 1,500 from Bulenox, and I already got 252 in my wallet from Take Profit Trader. Plus, if I get this 2,250, I'm gonna be up 6,402, and my expenses somewhere around. I'm gonna do an exact number, but overall up $3,300 ish for this year. But the problem is when I blew up my accounts, I've spent $1,800 on new accounts with activation fees. So so let me go back. So if I just plus 1,800, that's okay. So if I would have not spent that money, then I would be up about $5,000 for this year if I would not have blown my accounts. So there you go. The order block has been broken. So I don't know, but I'm gonna do a video about this. Ali Trader Funding, ERP Media, they are good. I also traded with them. I failed the evaluation accounts, but not because I think they're bad or anything. I have so many prop firms on the plate, so I'm building more funded accounts with MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader. I have my Apex account, so I think Ali Trader is good. No issue with them. So to close, yes, Sorel, I decided to close my Take Profit Trader account. Yes, I made the decision yesterday. So what I did yesterday is I withdrew the $315, which was put into my wallet minus 20% because of the profit split. So I got $252 into my wallet, and then I'm left with the safety threshold, right? That's it. So later yesterday, I decided to close the account. Like I said to myself, like, okay, I think it would be better to close the account because, you know, etc., etc. And so I clicked on close the account, but when I click on the withdrawal, it doesn't show up the safety net. It doesn't show. It only says available for withdrawal the 315. It's not showing up the safety net. So that's why I'm having some PTSD today. But it should be showing up the safety net. So 50% of $4,500 should be able to withdraw from Take Profit Trader. So that's the decision I made. Yeah, the 320 reversal again. Look at that. By the way, Bowser, absolutely, yeah. The move happened again. 320. Interesting. Yeah, 300, absolutely possible. I mean, oh yeah, previous day high. Yeah, we can go. Yeah, the Ali Trader Funding has 90% sale right now. If you click on my link, which is somewhere in the description, it gives a little bit of credit to the stream, and you use the code. There is no custom code for any uh, influencer or YouTuber or whatever. They only have the basic code, which is on their website. If you click on my link, it pops you up the actual code, and that's what you have to go with. Oh man, I really hope that Take Profit Trader is gonna update correctly. Have you or anyone here ever used algos? Yeah, AK, I used it like many years ago. I tried to use algos mostly with MetaTrader back in the days. I came to the conclusion that there is no algo for at least the retail trader that is always good in any market condition. So maybe there are some trade manager softwares or algorithms, but since the market is changing all the time and it has its seasonal tendencies, I think there is just there is no single automated algo trading system out there for any platform that can always make you profit in any market conditions or every market conditions. I just don't believe in that. I believe that there are good softwares, algorithmic softwares, but those need to be updated as well. Like always have to be adjusted to the current market conditions, and that way they can be profitable. But there is no single holy grail algo that is going to make you money in every single market condition. That's what I think. So, and I really tried a lot. Trust me, I tried a lot. I don't want to put you in a negative statement there. I just really tried a lot, and obviously it was years ago. But and as I said, there are very good algorithmic softwares to manage your entries and your exits and to manage your trade properly. But to be fully automated and you just put it on the account, I just simply don't believe that there is such a thing. Not for retail traders. Maybe some hedge funds, they have some kind of a secret sauce because they have some data to work with, but not us as retail. So anyway, anyway. Few algos that would surprise you. Oh, really? All right. Well, I'm never say never, so I do think that's a saying that is always true. Never say never to anything. I mean, in your life. I mean, not to anything, but never say never. Maybe there are some good ones, but hey, you're welcome, AK. Back to Asia High? Maybe. You know, it broke out beautifully from this one. Yes, if Asia low holds. But so far, it seems like it's holding, and obviously we had the structure shift and a displacement. Now the entry could be happening right now on this 5-minute pullback here. I mean, why not? You know, the 5 minute could be good for a possible entry. Why not? Why not? I might even enter on a eval. Who knows? High of that candle is 94.25. Yeah, 90, and this one has 92.50. Could go. $92. Now, why not? It can go. I'm scared to jump in on a funded account in these conditions, but 92. So I jumped into a trade on an eval, targeting the 92. Targeting the 92 because that is a 15-minute flat candle with a fair value gap, and the high of that is 92.50. So I'm good with 92. So that's the trade so far. Based on the 5 and the 15-minute levels, that's an area where we could go to. Now, if it's not gonna go there, it's okay. But then, well, I mean, the issue is that we took liquidity even with just one tick up here. But if it trades above the high, like 83 or 84, then I think there's a very solid chance to go for that 92. Oh, that's a good indicator, I guess. I don't really trade the pivots, but I mean, lots of people are using the pivot points. Maybe I should look into that. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. See your Asia midpoint high and low. Oh, I see. Well, that's a good, you know. If it helps you, obviously, you go with that. Maybe I will look into that. There's so many things to look into, and I don't really want to deviate too much from the original thing that from the core concept that I'm trying to do. All I'm basically doing is just looking for liquidity in the fair value gaps. So I would say I'm using the gap theory combined with order blocks or supply demand zone. It's the same, and that's it. Obviously, we have to understand market structure, but yeah. NPM. What up? You should keep VWAP on the chart. Oh, we paused at the VWAP again? Let me see. Oh. Yeah. This is how important. I mean, it's really amazing, by the way. And so how the VWAP is actually being respected by the market. It definitely is amazing. So yeah. $93. Let's go. Well, there's a very nice 15-minute gap up there that I really, really like. Yeah, so I have opened up what you guys see is usually the 1 minute and the 5 because I switch for you guys. But on my left, I have also a 5 minute, a 15 minute, and an hourly chart. I'm skipping the 30-minute chart, not because I think it's bad, but I don't really need it. So the 5, 15, the hourly chart, and I do have a small daily chart to see where we are, but yeah, these are the ones. And for you guys, I keep switching between between the 5 and the 1, and you know, I'm just using TradingView for you guys to switch and you know. But I have these opened up on my left here. 93.75 is the okay. Let's see. You know. Division between bullish, bearish. NQ almost always stops ESV up as well. So it respects it. Okay. The VWAP. Man, I'm gonna make a t-shirt about this. VWAP. Reza, hey, Reza, good to see you, man. Doing okay, yeah. Reza, I wanted to ask you, how's it going with the Tick Trader? I saw some interesting info in Discord. Like some people were waiting since like 2 weeks or whatever for the payout, and you know, I hope you're on track now, or they replied to you or whatever. Entry is 161. Okay, that's a good entry, man. Right through the VWAP like it never was there. Oh, let's see the VWAP here. It could happen. Not yet. Payouts support is my... Yeah, under review. Okay. At least it's under review because some people were complaining on Discord that they are still in pending since like 10 days or I don't know. Maybe it was just a few people because I spoken with other guys who said they were paid out. I'm always trying to check these prop firms. And when I see some messages that people are waiting for some payouts, that I always try to check it, you know. Only one micro. Oh, well, it's still good, you know. Profit is profit. Show spending in the dash, but support said it's under review. Okay. Okay. Yeah, well, everybody said, even I even asked support, I don't know which mod was it. I'm going to check it out. In a DM, that how are the payouts, and he said everything is on schedule and no need to worry. I mean, it's a little bit strong to say everything is on schedule if some people are waiting for more than 8 or 10 days, but well, I guess we'll see how the pre-market open will go. How long do you get the XFA after passing? Usually, they send the details the next day in New York business hours. So if you passed yesterday, then you should be receiving the XFA credentials sometime during New York business hours, maybe even in the PM session, which is in Hungary. It could be, 7 or 8 p.m. or even later. But I had not issue, but for example, there was also an occasion when I received the XFA credentials 2 business days after it. So that's how. Wasn't payout land Monday. Oh, Devin, be careful. Yeah, I don't like this. Like, it feels like it's losing steam here, and it might take a dump. Oh yeah, I didn't know that. If Top Step X is that fast. Also, I do have to apologize in advance because I'm gonna stay until after the pre-market open a little bit just to see how it goes. But a little bit after the pre-market open, I do have to leave some IRL stuff, and I'm not sure how the New York stream is gonna work out. As I said, I have to go to the hospital again about my mother, and I don't know how the rest of the day is gonna go. So I'm gonna be here for now, and I'm gonna wait for pre-market open, and we'll see the first 5 or 10 minutes if we see some kind of a movement. But then I might have to leave you guys. You're in profit with MyFundedFutures, though. You're up overall in your journey. Let's go, Devin. Then that's all that matters. Overall green is, that's what counts. Green is green. You're gonna joyride on the beach. Yeah. Not yet. If it's for me. I tell you what, everybody. Because of this glitch of Take Profit Trader, and I'm waiting for $2,250. If the website resets and I'm gonna be able to click that withdrawal, I'm gonna do a giveaway on the stream today or tomorrow. All right, today in New York if I will be here, or tomorrow London session. Okay, pinky promise I'll do a giveaway. Just gotta make sure that that payout is secured. But support told me that it's okay. I just have to wait for the website to reset because it's not showing up the amount, and it says the account is closed. And I'm having PTSD. You see? I don't know what to do. Vincent is a nice guy. He forgives. There's a small glitch. So I clicked on the close account yesterday. So yesterday I requested $315 from Take Profit Trader, and they have put it onto my wallet, which is great. So check mark, because that was above the safety net. But later on in the PM session, I was thinking, and blah blah blah, and I said, all right, I decided to close my account because if you close your account, you can get 50% of your safety net. You can withdraw that. So what I did, I clicked on the close account button, and I was like, okay, the amount should be showing up, on the withdrawal screen. So if you click on the withdraw, the available amount should be showing up, like it should be showing $4,500 minus 50%, right? But when I click on the withdrawal, it doesn't show up. Nothing shows up. Instead, the account shows that it's closed. And I'm like, what the hell? $2,250 is on the line here. So I messaged support, like, what is going on? And they said it's because the website has not updated. And, I was like, okay. So I came back this morning because they said 10 p.m. Eastern Standard, and the website is still not showing up the amount. Like, what the hell is going on? And support said for the second time, like, don't worry, the website, the dashboard still have not updated. And I was like, okay. And they said it will surely update, and I will be able to see the correct amount. I was like, okay, but I'm shaking, So anyway, I'm waiting for the website to update because the account now is in admin mode only. It says it's closed and disabled, and I click on withdrawal. It's not showing the amount. So anyway, no, it should be okay, Sorel. I think so. The point is, ladies and gentlemen, that greed, for the lack of a better word, is good. Greed is right. Greed works. Of course I know. The good old Gordon Gekko from Wall Street, the first. Of course, that's actually a very, very nice speech there from Gordon Gekko. Yeah. Oh, by the way, yeah, Reza, I can, I can't even imagine if I'm shaking because of this glitch. But oh man, 8100. Oh. How many times will they allow that and not let you trade with them anymore? I don't know. I don't know, Bowser. That's a good question. I mean, it's in the contract, it's in the agreement that I can close the account. So, yeah, that was 150K account. So $4,500 safety net, which means you can take 50% of the safety net if you close the account, which is 2,250 US dollars. I like Take Profit Trader. I think they're awesome. The Take Profit Trader is awesome. No issues. And by the way, support is absolutely great. And they were very kind and understanding because I wrote them 2 times and they were absolutely no questions asked from Take Profit Traders so far. Everything was flawless. And this website glitch, it is what it is. I just have to wait for the update. So no issue. No issue. I just said, like, I decided to close the account and take 50% of the safety net. And I have to wait for the website to update. That's all. That is all. But it's not updating. Usually they update it by the way on time, but today it's not that. Getting closer to pre-market open here. Marco, I know. Trust me. I was thinking about it all day yesterday, and and I was thinking about statistics, you know, as well. Like, what are the chances? So I can take $2,250 now from Take Profit Trader, or I can try to trade, like, who knows how many days if I can withdraw $2,250, you know, because I usually go for $200 or $300 days, which is great because I can just withdraw every day, but that would require 8 to 10 days, right, to get that amount with small risk. Chances are, by statistic, that even if I can make it like 8 or 10 days for withdrawal, that amount, the chances are exponentially increasing that I'm gonna go full tilt, because I know myself, I still have a lot to learn. I'm gonna go full tilt and I'm gonna do some crazy stupid trade, and the account is gonna go way into the safety threshold, and then who knows what's gonna happen after that. So instead of that, I just took the money. I'm gonna try. I also already have 3 more evaluations on the progress, and I'm gonna build up more confidence. I'm gonna get $1,000 to a private account, by the way, but that's for future. That's for later. And I'm gonna keep the rest, and I'm gonna keep on grinding. And you know, this way, who knows? At least a little bit of money came back, and I can continue with my little experiment. Sorry. So yeah, I was thinking about a lot about this. I mean, I'm still going to continue to build up more funded accounts with Take Profit Trader, but you know, in my country, $2,250 is like a good money, right? It's a good money. And anyway, Mr. Tebelka. Anyone having trouble seeing their newly purchased PAs Apex? No, I'm not even using trade await. Oh, by the way, we have the equity open. Yeah. So no issue. Yeah. Yeah, Marco. So I see a few previous delos. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of too. There's a 15-minute fair value gap at 92. That's what I'm aiming for. Yeah. Pre-market open would be 4 a.m. right now. 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think I'm going to go with M Futures. I think. It's not decided yet, but... Morning, Pare. Hey. Well, trying to be in the green, but not really. GTC Workshop. Best decision. Yeah, I mean... maybe for later, as I'm building up more funded accounts with Take Profit Trader, obviously I'm going to keep them. But, you know, money is money, you know. And you know, if I close the account, I'm not sure I can reset, because I chose to close it intentionally, so it wasn't a blown account or whatever. I chose to close it myself, so I don't think I can reset that account, and it will take $1,500 for a 150K account to reset. It's just not worth the money, you know. Kesu and I aim to have about 8 or 10 funded accounts. I don't really need more. I think that's more than enough. So I would say if you have 4 to 6 at maximum, like 4 or 5 funded accounts, which are properly traded and not copy traded, but you know, you're rotating them, then you should be able to generate an income stream from 4 or 5 funded accounts. That should be enough. Obviously, you can scale it up to 100 or 1,000, whatever. I see those YouTubers out there who are having 50, 60, 200, 1,000, 200,000 funded accounts, which is great. For now, I'm just, you know, using a few and trying to rotate them, you know. Yeah. You grinded. Yeah. Exactly. It's a grind. Yes, GTC. Not all of them. So I would divide them to small groups. So for example, now I have, I think, 8 funded accounts, and I'm not even trading all of them. Some of them are just left there, just flipping them a little bit for the minimum trades. But if I copy trade them, I copy like 2 accounts. So small groups, like one group has 2 accounts, the other group has another 2 accounts. And sometimes, many times, I just trade 1 account, depending on how's the market going, you know. If the market is like total BS, like it used to do nowadays, then I'm not even copy trading at all. I'm just trading on one particular account at a time. And if I'm on a losing streak or something bad happens, it can happen, then I can still switch to another funded account or to an Eval if I feel the urge to take a trade. What do you think good amount to shoot for if you have 550K funded account? I would say if you have 550Ks, if you make like, I know it's gonna sound stupid, but it's not. If you make like 100, 150, 200, even $300, so anywhere between $100 or $300 is extremely good. But even if you make $50, that is very good. A break-even day also is a winner day, you know. But on average, if you can make 100 or 200, well, that's you know, you made it. Like, multiply that, you know. For example, on average, you make $100 on a funded account, and we have 20 trading days. But let's not count 20. Just count 10 trading days. 10 times $100, that's $1,000. And you have 5 funded accounts. That's $5,000. And I'm just counting half of the trading days. That's $5,000 for a month. Yes, you're not going to be a millionaire by next month. But that is something you can start to scale up from. You know, build confidence, scale up from there. I think it's an absolutely realistic goal and absolutely doable. And easier, less stressful to reach, you know. I traded with 1 funded account, more stress. I mean, more stress with one funded account gives you more stress if you may be over leveraging. But if you go with small risk, it shouldn't be. Yes, exactly, Pari. Is it activity fee? No, Apex doesn't have that. MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, and some others, I think Bulenox as well, has the inactivity rule, which is you have to push the button at least once every week. So you have to push the button once every week. So I do that. I actually have a reminder on my desktop. So when I do that, sometimes I copy trade more accounts. So if I see a nice setup, actually I'm not just randomly clicking. I go with micros, and if I see a proper setup, I copy trade those with every funded account that I can. And I try to quote unquote flip those accounts, but obviously going for a proper setup. But always, you know, you should try to not forget that you have to trade once every week on most of these prop firms, at least. You know, if not all of them, but at least most of these prop firms. $500 max daily profit set 5. That's also very good. That is very good, Devin. Say that nowadays almost everyone. Yes, yes, King Jed. Obviously, ICT made a huge influence in the day trading retail space. And although I'm not a cult member, and I'm not praying to Michael Huddleston, and so I'm not praising his name on the streets. I did learn a lot from his videos because he has the most free content up there on YouTube. And I think even if he cannot trade, I don't know, but I think he definitely has a passion for education and lecturing. So I do like to learn from his videos. Now, in the past few months or year, I can say that I'm kind of like transitioning a little bit from ICT to supply and demand trading, but I'm keeping the gap theory, which is, by the way, not originally come from ICT. There you go. So the gap theory is not originally from ICT. And the order block, which is basically the order blocks are supply and demand zones. Just saying. So these are the two things that I'm transitioning onto, and I'm looking for these. And there's one truth in day trading: you have to carve out your own way. So what works for me is definitely not guaranteed that it's going to work for you. I'm looking for gaps and order blocks, and maybe this is something that is definitely not resonating with your style. You're going to be looking for something completely different, which is going to resonate with you. And also, I'm still testing an indicator system. Nothing wrong with that. I'm testing exponential moving averages on my left here. Here you go. This is on MetaTrader. I'm not trading on a funded account with this or Eval. This is a demo account. So just to let you guys know who are new, I'm still testing an indicator system too. So I'm not an ICT cult member. That's what I think. Be in mind when scaling up. Your mental thinking may change. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah. 93 hit. Yes. Beautiful. 94 was the top. Beautiful call there, Devin. I trade only price movements. That's why I follow down to. Oh, thank you. ICT uses same as everyone else and brands it differently to make it seem different. Yeah. So yeah, Jose Carlos is exactly. So support and resistance he calls imbalance. He calls the supply and demand order blocks. He calls the gap fair value gap, which is gap. I still have a PDF document from an old book from the 80s that is talking about the gap theory, basically. How price is going back into the gaps and taking up orders. And it was written in the 80s. So that being said, I am not hating ICT. On the contrary, I am very grateful for his videos and lectures because helped me a lot. But I must say that I think some of the theories or concepts are and I realized it on my own, not just because someone told me. I think some of the concepts are basically rebranded or repackaged, which is no problem. I don't care who was the first one who came up with this. I don't care. But, you know, and you know, as for the rest of the things that's circulating around ICT, if he can or cannot trade, it's just I don't care about it anymore, because I think he put too much pressure on himself, to be honest, with the Robbins Cup and everything. But that's a different story. Yeah, yes, Pari. Journaling. I have my journal here, by the way. Hello. This is a new journal because the other one, I have another one here. Look at this. This one is already full, this journal, and I just bought a new journal, so I'm journaling, and it helps. Journaling definitely helps, definitely. Exactly, King Judd. So if you use a trend line, a single trend line theory that makes you money, go with that. There are literally like 10,000 strategies out there for free on YouTube, on social media, everywhere. You can use almost unlimited amount of strategies that has some sort of an edge, especially if you backtest it. You know, so many ways to go with this. At the end of the day, it all comes down to risk management. That's it. That's the thing. You know. You're a gold member. Right, AK. Oh, from sunny Dubai, it's Pip Slayer here. Hello. And I have two system EMA. The EMA crossing is good, by the way. Nice. Parabolic SAR. Place to stop. Good, Pablo. Exactly. Pip Slayer, spot on. It's about psychology. That's all it's about. Hey, Andres Fayardo. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, so that's also interesting. Some people see the long positions better. Some people see the positions. I mean, what you can do is you can inverse the chart. Look at that. Now we are selling. If you are better in shorting the market, you can do this. Look at that. What a beautiful short here. Boom. Just going down. Welcome, Andres. Inside candle strat is good. Yeah. Oh, let me reverse this. All right. As I told you guys, I have some places to be, and I'm sorry again because I have to cut the stream earlier. I don't know if I will be back on New York session. I hope I can, but I have to visit my mother at the hospital. I have to speak with the doctors, and I don't know which hour is that going to be. That's going to be in the afternoon. So worst case scenario, I'll be back for tomorrow, London, but I tried to be here for some New York stream. I don't know when. So order blocks are yes, Pablo, I agree. So thank you again for being here. I'm gonna call it. This was a good session, by the way, and thanks to everybody for joining. Thank you for the new subscriptions, and everybody, if you would like to support the channel, don't forget to use the best cheat code for prop firm. It's up there. The Tom Sabo code works almost everywhere, gives you the best discount at Take Profit Trader, Bulenox, Apex, check them out. Still some good sales. Take Profit Trader 50% off, and even MyFundedFutures, if it's not giving you a discount, if you type in my code, it gives a bit of a credit to the stream. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless you all. And no promises for New York. I'll try my best. Worst case scenario, it will be London. All right. So God bless. See you, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Cheers.